Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A13, and today I will show you how we can hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process also removes screen lock if you have one that you don't know. And I'll quickly lock my device just so you can see that I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from that lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So actually, before we begin, there is one thing that I will need, which is a cable and a computer. We need to plug in our device to our computer simply to boot it into recovery mode. And that's basically all we will need our computer and cable for. So I'm gonna right now plug in cable. And there we go. And right away, if you try to turn off the device, you will realize that it tells us that we need to provide our PIN, pattern, password. But assuming we don't know it, we'll need to reboot the device instead. And you can do that by either just selecting reboot, which I believe doesn't give us the requirement to put in the PIN, pattern, and password, or by holding power key and volume down till the device turns off, and once it does, you want to switch to volume up, which volume up and power key is the way how we actually access the recovery mode. So I'll actually try the reboot. So power, volume down, it shows up with these options. I'll select restart, and it looks like we still need to actually provide the PIN, pattern, and password. So we're just gonna hold it. So power key, volume down, you wanna hold it till the screen turns off. You do want to actually interact with the screen just to keep it on. Normally it just dims out, the timeout kicks in and just turns the screen off. So you want to interact with it just so it won't do that while holding power key and volume down. This will then, once it disappears when you're interacting with it, you will know that it actually turned off the device instead of just the screen. So anyway, let's light it up. Power, volume down. Once it turns off, you want to switch to volume up instead. And there we go. As you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. You can also unplug the cable because we don't need it anymore. And from here, you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the menu in order to select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Once it's selected, confirm it with power key and select Factory Data Reset the same way. This will start formatting data and then give you a message data wipe complete, at which point the reboot system now will be selected by default. So let's press power key, confirm that option, and obviously this will reboot the device and continue the process in the background. It will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it has, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.